Sunday, September 30th. We had about, looks like close to a quarter inch of rain. Yeah. Still some clouds in the sky. Spotty rain here in Northern California. We had several days, probably 3 or 4 days, of good solid chemtrailing before the rain, which was predicted, of course. And I put a bowl out. Here it is. This bowl is rainwater. Does anybody remember rainwater being this dirty? We've had a lot of fires around here, and looks like mostly the ash out of the clouds is mixed up with the chemtrails and supplies us with this nice dirty rain. Isn't that beautiful, people? Can't we be proud of the geoengineering efforts at work? I'm not proud of anybody that puts that shit in our atmosphere. They're telling us that we won't have rain unless we burn up the forests and cause all this nuclei for the rain to condense upon. But yet here in California, we've been droughted out for a long time. But right on schedule, just about the end of harvest season, here comes this rain to dump upon whatever crops are left out there. Just a thought for your perusal.